Come on, baby. Come on, baby cakes. It's not what you fucking say, it's what you fucking motherfucking do.
Used to be a sweet deal.
Is that an IBU?
No.
Sweep up the eyeballs of blue.
You want two? You want an Ibu too?
Yeah.
I'd like to make a better life for myself.
Ibu.
I need somebody to help me.
Ibu.
I could always use an IBU with my fucking leg and shit.
It's not what you fucking say, it ain't what you fucking do. This fire's being a little bitch. I hear it going now. Hear that bitch now.
Great.
It's early morning. What time is it? 5?
I was just gonna see.
I think it's 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock in the morning. We're gonna shoot bed. We're sharing a 40. We're watching Roadhouse with Patrick Swayze, who is now no longer living. He's a living dead. He got killed filming this movie.
Don't say that. No, I didn't. Is that tattoo?
What? Tattoo?
Tattoo.
Tattoo.
From something island.
That black guy? Tattoo wasn't black, he was a midget. He was like Hawaiian
I
or
thought that was
Samoan
him,
or
though.
something. That's Patrick Swayze, man. Little Deuce.
I might lay back down right away.
Oh, man.
I'm tired, man. John Henley. He has to go beat everybody up. It's like Curly's bar in Duluth.
Is that bad?
Yeah. And they kicked me out of there
Never
for
been
life.
there. Really? Why?
I don't know. I don't remember. I went there the next morning because they had 50-cent chili, and that's what I wanted.
They're like, get out of here.
Yeah, I know. I was just there the night before, and they're like, "You're kicked out of here for life. Get out." I was like, "What? What the fuck?" I think they had me mixed up with Jenny or some shit. Because I don't raise hell at bars.
Huh.
Not anymore, anyways. But back then, I guess I kind of did. And I was so hungry. I was so disappointed. I was just craving that chili too. $5.17 a.m.
I'm eating some meat. Fucking raining, babe. Want some beef jerky?
She looks like my friend Jen Little. Exactly. My friend Jen Little looks just like her.
Some jerky?
Yeah.
Hey, hey, hey.
Thanks. So you play pretty good for a blind white boy.
There you go.
Yeah, and I thought you'd be bigger. Well, now you're doing it. Good to see you. Same here, man. Oh, the boys and I heard you were coming into town. Yeah, this told
John Henry said, "It's good to see ya." That's funny.
Good to smell you.
That's all he could say.
blood on the floor in this joint every night.
Hey, Hank, you know who that is?
Yeah, I'm good on this, but I don't really know. But I'm
I
gonna
love it
watch
when you
this
sit
movie.
up with me, man.
But I'm gonna
We
watch
can
this
do
movie.
this. We can do this together.
I'm cold. My feet are cold. I'm cold. I'm tired.
Okay, babe. Quit giving you a hard time.
For 20 bucks, you can kiss him. Are you kidding? Get a kiss. Here now. Get a kiss. you doing? Are you gonna kiss him or not? What do you mean you can't?
Big backhand. All hell breaks loose over some titties.
And then the titties are gone. Oh, I can't wait for this IV to kick in and stuff.
Oh yeah, babe, you're gonna be going for a twirl, take you for a whirl, a little curl, a little pearl, a little knurl, a little girl.
My friend Jenny's really funny. You'd like her, babe.
What do you mean? How so?
She's funny.
In what way? Like jokes thing?
Yeah.
She tells jokes?
Yeah. She says funny shit.
Two penguins were walking on the ice, and one penguin said to the other, "It looks like you're wearing a tuxedo."
Okay.
And the penguin said, "Maybe I am." Hey babe, even though you're in bed, you can still take a drink of the 40.
Only Ruby Gordon's pissed off at somebody
Why?
because of what she wrote on
What'd she say?
Facebook.
Me and Ruby half a day? Or still day?
Half a day.
Oh, I mean Jerome's girl?
Yeah. My friend Ruby.
What'd she say? Motherfuckers!
Listen, all you fake ass people that have nothing better to do than to run my name through your lying ass lips when you speak about me. It better be the truth, and all you fuckers up in my Kool-Aid, not even knowing my flavors, stay out of my business. This is your only warning. Don't make me come to your door, because you know my ass will. Oh my god, and look at Matt Whitebird.
It's your ex, babe.
That's my baby daddy.
Yeah.
How embarrassing is that?
I remember that story when you first saw him. You told your friend, like, I'm having him, or something like that.
Matt Whitebird?
Yeah.
Yeah, I told my friend Robert. I was like, he's mine. He's all mine. By the end of the night, he's mine, and I took him home that night. And Robert never, he was the kind of friend that never talked, but always listened.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? He would always just, like, nod. You know what I mean? Like, yes or no. He was a good friend.
Whoa! Whoa! I choked on some meat.
You okay?
On the wrong throat tube.
Oh, down the wrong tube.
I got beef jerky in my lung. Got beef jerky lung. Oh. Beef jerky lung sucks. Fucking beef jerky long. Man, we still have Nutter Butters, don't we? You think they're still good?
So what's that?
The Nutter Butters?
Probably. They're made out of peanut butter. Peanut butter lasts forever. Have another piece of meat.
Another piece of meat.
Piece of meat for me so I can choke too. So I can choke with you.
Beef jerky long. Beef jerky long.
Like horses, do you?
uh,
They like me. You wouldn't steal them, would you? No, sir.
beef jerky long is calling for you.
Don't belong. I'm Emmett. Go.
Patrick Swayze, I'm Batman. I'm Batman.
So what do you think? Well, I'll take it. Must have been 20 people at that room this past year. No phone, no television, no conditioned air, no tolerance for the fragrance of nature. Nobody wanted it. How come you did? Just too persuasive, I guess. The money you understand, but if I don't charge you some insurance around here like this,
Here, honey bunch.
how's $100 a month right?
I got beef jerky long, but now I want a piece of toast. Come on, baby, baby, yeah, baby, you're the most I will rock you. I want the piece of toast. I'm gonna rock it on down. I'm gonna rock it up and down the coast. I gave myself a piece of beef jerky long, but now I want some toast, baby, 'cause you're the baby. You want a piece of toast?
Piece of toast too, baby.
I think I'm gonna put peanut butter on mine. Peanut butter and butter. Shit. Don't get no butter. Peanut butter. Peanut butter, baby. Peanut butter is my middle fucking name. You better not fuck around on this fucking game, 'cause I'm gonna peanut butter your ass. I'm gonna peanut butter your ass up and down the fucking line.
Anybody else here deal?
Well, this is where Patrick Swayze fires everyone.
So anybody wants to walk through it now? All right.
Yeah.
What?
Look at his dreadlocks.
Nest.
They go all the way down to his ankles. And he's super tall.
Too many 40-year-old
Nasty.
adolescents,
Isn't it? I bet you they smell bad.
trustees of modern chemistry.
No, he washes them in a hot tub.
Hey, that sure sounds good.
You got peanut butter lung. 'Cause they're riding across the land, kicking up the sand. Everybody's got a peanut butter in their hand. You got peanut butter one hand, malt liquor in the other, cigarette in your mouth, baby. What you gonna do? You're gonna smother me with the loving. Yeah. 'Cause they're riding across the land. Oh, shooby dooby dooby damn. I said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You better stop kicking your lips. You're gonna get kicked in the lips. Yeah. Ugh. You're nothing but a big old chick. You got chink in the one hand, chink in the other.
Chink ba jink, chink ba jink.
How are we supposed to know when that is? You won't. I'll let you know. You are the bouncers, I am the fool.
Holla.
Holla.
Cause I'm riding across the land, kicking up sand, baby, you're the number one. Band. Yeah. How did I know this song was gonna play?
Because you watched this movie 100 times.
Weird. I never seen this movie 100 times. I've seen it like twice. This is like the third time maybe I've seen it my whole life. Never really liked it much. But it's kind of funny. Just because it's unreal. Babe, do you want peanut butter or just butter?
Peanut butter too.
Escort this gentleman to the door. You see that shit?
Shit, bitch. Here you go, babe. Hang on, I'll get you a piece of paper towel.
Thanks, babe.
You're welcome. It's breakfast. Champs. Oh my god, there's sex.
Your history. Well, I'm on a break. Got quite a little enterprise going here. What? Going through a bottle every 30 minutes, just skimming the tills for 6 shots of vodka and draft whatever you can. Figures it's costing you about $150 a night. So consider it set. Take the train. I didn't hear you say that.
Want a Pepsi, babe?
A what? Do we have
Pepsi?
any?
Yeah.
Yes.
Aww.
Man. Oh, that sucks.
This is the only part that hit the ground. I'm still eating it. Jen Little.
What did you do? You fired the bartender Pat. You should not have done that though.
Yeah, why is that?
Shouldn't have that though. Here you go.
Thank you. What is the joke?
There's no joke. I just think I'm looking at a dead man.
Seems everywhere I go, I hear that same joke.
Yeah, well, something tells me you bring it on yourself.
This asshole driving all over the place. Wow, 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 wow.
New windshield's gonna cost you more than automobile's worth. My advice, be scrapper.
Trying to look for a picture of her.
Order me one, would you?
Yeah, I want to see.
There, I'll let you get it.
Life is
Here's one. Doesn't look like that chick in this picture here.
Fuck, no, it looks like fucking, what's her face? Alicia. Brian's ex.
Oh yeah, she does kind of look like her. Eh? Hey, right here's another picture of her. She kind of looks like that chick in this picture.
Well, I don't know. I can kind of see it in their eyes, but
Will you set the sound over there, babe?
yeah, shaboom, shaboom. Shabam, shabam. I think he ends up killing that dude behind us, dude. After he gets killed. They fight till death. Fight till death. He looks really healthy, but how could he die from pancreatic cancer when he looks so healthy, babe?
Probably came on quick and...
Maybe from fighting all the time. yeah.